Hey everybody, it's I. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Today is going to be another installment of my Earth Month series. I always forget what this is called whenever I'm making these. I don't know why. But today we're going to talk about clothes. So how many times a week do you wash your clothes? Or even how many times per month or per year? You know, probably can tell where I'm going with this, but if not, you know, just stay tuned anyways. So personally, I do laundry 2 loads every 2 weeks. So I usually try to wait and do it all at once so I don't have to go back and forth downstairs. When I lived on my own and went to a laundromat, I did it even less often because I hated going to the laundromat. So that equals out to about 1 load a week, 4 per month, or 52 per year. So the average dryer uses 3.3 kilowatt hours per cycle. And that's about 36 cents per cycle. So 36 cents times 52, which is how many times I wash clothes per year, is about $18.72 per year, and which is also 171.6 kilowatt hours. But if you have a spouse and kids, multiple people in the house, then you could do a load or 2 a day, maybe even more than that if you have a lot of small children. So 1 load per day would be 1,204.5 kilowatt hours and would cost $132.50 per year. Like I said, this is all average. Electricity rates are different depending on where you live. If you live somewhere like New York City, obviously going to be more than somebody in the boondocks in Kentucky like me. So that $132.50 per year to do laundry does not seem like that big of a deal. However, the energy cost is quite significant. So that 1,200 approximate kilowatt hours per year is actually enough to power your average sized house, at least in Kentucky. And Kentucky is actually one of the cheapest to use, but we use a lot of electricity here. I don't know. I found a website that laid out every state and how much energy they use per month. And so that would power your whole house for about a month, somewhere like Kentucky or Louisiana, places like that. So the solution to this would be to hang dry your clothes, which also helps them to last a lot longer because clothes can shrink in the dryer, can get worn out, the colors can fade, and so on. So that's why that's where the lint comes from in your dryer, is the clothes are rubbing together and being heated, and it just creates lint friction that's like particles from your clothing and sheets and towels coming off. So hanging clothes to dry is the best way to keep them in good condition. It also costs you less and saves partly saves waste because you won't be buying new clothes as often because you're not gonna wear them out as fast. So even if you don't have a clothesline outside, they're pretty inexpensive to buy, or you can just get a piece of string and tie it, get some clothespins. And if you don't have one, you can also just hang them on extra clothes hangers or lay them over the back of chairs, or you can get a drying rack like this one that I use. So let me know unique ways that you take care of your laundry to help save money, energy, supplies, that kind of thing. Also, I would suggest, if you don't already, to wash them with concentrated detergent because that saves a lot. And a big bottle of detergent for me lasts a long time. And I use this brand of detergent, the Ecos, ECOS. I am looking for a kind that's not in plastic packaging. Maybe 7th generation. I know 7th generation has a few things in non-plastic packaging, but let me know if you know of any that are cruelty-free and don't have plastic. So that's about it for this video. Let me know what you think, and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.